So we have this closet that right now is basically useless. And it's not useless, we store stuff here, but it just piles up down there. And it's ugly. So I'm going to try and make this a little more useful and try to do it as cheap as I can. That's the goal for today. The floor in here is not pretty. Got holes. That's a lip. Tile pulling off. Just stuff everywhere. Hole in the floor there. So the first thing I had to do is fix that. I'm not going to waste a ton of time on this. I know it's going to be unlevel. I don't know what this stuff is. This tin, it's all folded back here. I don't know why it's here, what it's for. It goes underneath the walls. I'm just going to put some wood over it. It won't be level, but it is just a closet. I guess I've never really looked in this closet. Whoever started it didn't even finish it. Right up there you can see all of that. I don't think I'm going to spend a whole lot of time in here. I'll sand it, get all these uneven edges off, then I'm just going to slap a coat of paint on it. Now that that's done, move on to step 2, which is make a template for all of this. When we moved in, the previous owners generously left us all of this paint. So I'm going to find a light color. This looks light. Yeah, white. This is very difficult. It's a very tight space. And the only brush I could find was a giant 4-inch. It's not fun. Alright, I'll bring it back when I'm done. Alright, I got it painted. 2 coats of white paint. And I got the Luan, or underlayment, nailed down. Already looks better. It's amazing what a couple coats of white paint will do. For the shelves, I bought this particle board stuff. No, it's not the best for shelving, but it's a very small space, very small shelves. They're not going to be heavy things on top of it. Plus this 4x2 piece of pre-finished, like laminated, double-sided. I can pick whatever color I want. It was only about $11. I know you're supposed to tape this before you cut it to prevent damage to the top of them, but it doesn't seem to be doing too much damage, and I'm not going to spend the time to tape over this. I'm just going to cut it. To finish off the front of these shelves, I've got scribe molding. I'm just going to wood glue it and nail it in. And it looks pretty good for being really, really cheap. I got the shelf supports in. Now I'm gonna dry fit it, pull them out, and paint them, and then touch up the dings that I made. They fit. The closet's not even close to square. It's really messed up, but this thing is barely on it. So I'm going to take another piece of wood, another strip right here, and I'm going to screw it in so it doesn't fall. Because right now there's a gap over here, and if I move it over, whoop, it falls. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so that's what I had to do. These are just 1x2 strips. few dollars at Home Depot. This is a really annoying project. It's very tight spaces. There it is. I was going to put peel and stick tile down on this, but that had been too much of a headache. Maybe I'll paint it sometime, but I think it's going to stay just like that.